Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this one I'm just going to show you how you actually can start your Zoom meetings. Probably familiar with this page, a main profile page for a Zoom account. Let's go up here to Personal Meeting ID. This is your personal meeting ID, and this is your personal meeting link. So let's see if we can make the mouse work and highlight that. We're going to copy it. And we're going to open a new browser tab. That's important because we want to remain signed in on this tab. So I'm just going to do a little paste and go action here. Yep, I want to open Zoom meetings. Okay, so there's my meeting room. Ooh, connecting to cloud server. So this is because of the virus. Everyone and their dog is connecting on Zoom. So I'm going to end the meeting. I'm going to end the meeting for all. The other way that you can join a meeting is from this app. And since it's already up here, I'll show you how to get to it. You can see on my taskbar, I've just pinned it to the taskbar. But if you want to do it the old-fashioned way, you can go up here. Fortunately, Zoom is the last letter in the alphabet. Go all the way down, and we'll open it like that. Okay, so click the Join button. And one of the things that you may remember from our main profile page is that, come on, move it over. This is our personal meeting ID, and it's asking us to put that in. So if I manually go 438-305-7769 and then hit join, yeah, looks like that is working for us again. So just want to show you one more way you can do this. End meeting for all. Okay, I'm not going to close this and open it again. But this time I can go join. And instead of entering something in here, watch what happens when I click the down chevron. Hey, Jeff's personal meeting room, Don's personal room, the two Jasons, Econ Outlook seminar. So you can tell that Zoom will remember some of the last meetings that you've been in. And of course, if you want to get rid of that stuff, you can clear the history at any time. Zoom will just keep adding it back for you. So let's go up to my personal meeting room, click join. Yeah, I think that's all there is to it. So I hope that was useful, and in the next one we are going to start looking at all of this stuff. What do these features do? How do I use them? What are some tips and tricks? And so forth and so on. Thanks for watching, and keep calm and carry on.